Hey there, gamers. Today I'm thrilled to introduce you to the Skytech Shadow Gaming PC. This beast of a machine is powered by an Intel i5 4.3 GHz Turbo Boost processor and features an NVIDIA RTX 3060 12GB GDDR6 graphics card, 1TB NVMe storage, and 16GB DDR4 RAM 3200. With Windows 11 Home 64-bit, this PC is ready to take your gaming to the next level. The Skytech Shadow Gaming PC is not only powerful but also sleek and stylish, with its tempered glass case and 4 RGB ring fans for maximum airflow. And the best part? It's assembled right here in the USA, with a 1-year warranty on parts and labor and lifetime free technical support. Whether you're into fast-paced shooters like Call of Duty Warzone and Apex Legends, immersive open-world games like Grand Theft Auto V and Elden Ring, or competitive multiplayer games like Overwatch and League of Legends, the Skytech Shadow Gaming PC can handle them all at ultra settings and smooth 60 FPS gameplay. What are you waiting for? Upgrade your gaming experience with the Skytech Shadow Gaming PC. Click the link in the description to get yours now and unleash the full potential of your favorite games. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more gaming PC reviews and tech tips. Happy gaming!